right? Once go through endomembrane system flow chart. So remember, don't confuse what you call that double membrane bound cell organelles, single membrane bound cell organelles, and amembrane bound cell organelles. Three structures important. Once repeat briefly: double membrane bound cell organelle example, nucleus, okay, chloroplast and mitochondria. Next, single membrane bound cell organelle example, these four cell organelles: endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes and vacuole. Clear? Next, amembrane bound cell organelles, non-membrane bound cell organelle example, ribosomes, nucleolus and centriole. These three are non-membrane bound cell organelles. Very important. Even inclusion bodies also non-membrane bound cell organelles. That's all. I am expecting at least one question compulsorily based on number of membranes. See, lysosomes. Lysosomes, single membrane bound cell organelles. Lysosomes also called suicidal bags of the cell. It contains hydrolytic enzymes, amylases, lipases, proteases, carbohydrases, etc. During fasting times, lysosome release digest enzymes into surrounding cell. It digests all intracellular material. Thereby, lysosome results in cell death. Of course, at the same time, the same number of new cells again origin by cell division from bone marrow. That is different. Okay. During fasting time particularly, lysosome release hydrolytic enzymes into surrounding cytoplasm and digest all intracellular material. Thereby, lysosome release energy. By taking energy, the total body perform the regular metabolic activities. That is importance of lysosome. Clear? Next, vacuole. Once you go through flow chart. Vacuole. Vacuole also a single membrane bound cell organelle. The size of the vacuole, number of vacuole vary from species to species. Number of vacuole more means many in animal cells, but in plant cell very limited. Of course, at the primary stage of the cell, each cell contained many vacuoles, but after attainment of maturity, all small size vacuoles join with each other to form a large central vacuole. That forms a large central vacuole. So, presence of large central vacuole is unique characteristic feature of plant cell. Clear? Vacuoles on the outer side covered with membrane called tonoplast. Tonoplast or vacuolar membrane, and tonoplast filled with tonoplasm or vacuoloplasm. Tonoplasm or vacuoloplasm. Exchange of material, exchange of substances takes place between vacuoloplasm and cytoplasm. Actually, vacuoloplasm is high concentrated. It contains high concentrated solution than that of surrounding cytoplasm. So, based on osmosis principle or diffusion principle, movement of substances and exchange of substances takes place vacuoloplasm to cytoplasm and cytoplasm to vacuoloplasm, vice versa. Vacuoloplasm also called tonoplasm. Okay, and vacuolar membrane also called tonoplast. That's all. These are the main concepts. And vacuole are of various kinds: food vacuoles, contractile vacuoles, osmoregulatory vacuoles. Food vacuoles store reserve food material. Contractile vacuoles, its function excretion. It eliminates all waste particles from the cell. Next, osmoregulatory vacuoles. Osmoregulatory vacuoles maintain balance between cell fluids. It maintains balance between cell fluids like such as cytoplasm, enzymes, hormones, etc. These are the various types of vacuoles. Clear? Next concept, Mitochondria. Mitochondria. Mitochondria, a double membrane bound cell organelle. A double membrane bound cell organelle. You know very well the structure of mitochondria, shape of mitochondria, importance of mitochondria, okay, functions of mitochondria, everything. The total respiration function depend on mitochondria, particularly in all eukaryotic cells. The total aerobic respiration include 4 steps. What are 4 steps? Glycolysis, link reaction, Krebs cycle, and ETS. ETS stands for electron transport system. Okay, these are the 4 steps found in aerobic respiration. After completion of these 4 steps, one glucose molecule produces 40 ATPs. Out of 40 ATPs, 2 ATPs were consumed in glycolysis. So net gain of ATP are 38 ATPs. One glucose molecule produces a net gain of 38 ATPs after completion of the total aerobic respiration mechanism. Clear? Mitochondria, a double membrane bound cell organelle. Inner membrane make a large number of inward foldings, finger-like foldings called cristae. The site of glycolysis, cytoplasm. What is the site of glycolysis? Cytoplasm. The site of link reaction and Krebs cycle, matrix of mitochondria. The site of electron transport system is cristae or inner membrane of mitochondria. Cristae or inner membrane of mitochondria. Clear? Understood now? After completion of food oxidation, what is food oxidation? Food react with oxygen inside the cell. That is called food oxidation. After food oxidation, food release more energy in the form of ATP. The total energy convert into ATP. Then ATP temporarily stored in matrix of mitochondria. That is the reason mitochondria also called powerhouse of the cell. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Okay. That is in future, whenever cell require energy, obviously mitochondria release energy for cellular activities. Okay. ATP, adenosine triphosphate, release one phosphate, means terminal phosphate. It releases energy. Okay. In such a way, mitochondria supply energy for maintenance of regular cellular activities. ATP also called energy currency. One ATP produces nearly about 7,200 kilocalories of energy. 7,200 kilocalories of energy. One ATP molecule produces approximately about 7,200 kilocalories of energy. Important for objective question. So you read the rest of the characteristic features of mitochondria. Measurements of mitochondria also important. What is the length of the mitochondria, diameter of the mitochondria, width of the mitochondria, even other cell organelles also. Whatever measurements or units, digits mentioned in NCERT, that also important for NEET objective exam. You must concentrate on those area also, because question paper setter prepare question from any corner of NCERT. Clear? Right. That's all. Next, chloroplast. Another important cell organelle, chloroplast. So before going to read about chloroplast, you must read the rest of the important points that are related to mitochondria. You don't forget. This is a short-term revision. Clear? Now chloroplast. Chloroplast, another important double membrane bound cell organelle. Chloroplast common in plant cells but absent in animal cells. Plastids. According to Greek language, plastos means molded structures, molded or folded structures. Plastids are of three kinds: chloroplasts, chromoplasts, okay, and leucoplasts. Chromoplast example, chloroplast. Chromoplast, sorry, chloroplast. Chloroplast example, chloroplast. Chromoplast is example, rest of the colors like what do you call that, fruit color, flower color, root color, this and all depend on chromoplastids. Okay, chloroplast is example, chloroplast. Chromoplast is an example, lycopene, capsicum, this and all some examples of chromoplastids. It impart color to the various parts of the plant. Example, carrot orange in color, sweet potato light pink in color, fruits various types of color, flower various color. Means fruit color, flower color, root color depend on chromoplastids. And leucoplastids are of three kinds: eleuroplasts, elaioplasts, okay, and amyloplasts. Eleuroplasts store proteins, amyloplasts store carbohydrates or starch, whereas elaioplast store oil. That is about classification of total plastids. Okay, structure of chloroplast important, very important, don't do neglect. What is the structure of chloroplast? What are the parts of chloroplast? Okay, and what is the site of light reaction, dark reaction, cyclic photophosphorylation, non-cyclic photophosphorylation? What are the end products of cyclic phosphorylation and what are the end products of non-cyclic photophosphorylation? These are all important. Okay, rough diagram. Structure of chloroplast. What are the parts in chloroplast? What is the importance of chloroplast? What are the functions of chloroplast? Important for NEET object exam. Chloroplast function, photosynthesis. It includes two steps: light reaction, dark reaction. Light reaction driven by sunlight, whereas dark reaction driven by end products of light reaction such as ATP and NADPH. Clear? Okay. Next, light reaction again are of two kinds: non-cyclic photophosphorylation and cyclic photophosphorylation. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation yield ATP and NADPH, whereas cyclic photophosphorylation yield only ATPs. The topics already covered in previous chapter, photosynthesis in higher plants. Next, dark reaction. The site of dark reaction is stroma of the chloroplast. End products of dark reaction, glucose. Next, what is the site of light reaction? Grana and stroma lamella. Grana means group of thylakoid. Clear? What are the end products of non-cyclic photophosphorylation? Answer, ATP and NADPH. Next, what are the end products of cyclic photophosphorylation? Answer, only ATPs. These types of questions frequently asking in NEET exam. Next, chloroplast also called semi-autonomous cell organelle because chloroplast consists of 70S ribosomes, RNA and circular DNA. Due to presence of 70S ribosomes, RNA and circular DNA, chloroplast function independent of nucleus. Chloroplast function is independent of nucleus. That is the reason chloroplast also called semi-autonomous cell organelle, or a cell within the cell. Or a prokaryotic cell within the eukaryotic cell. These are the another names of chloroplast. Like chloroplast, even mitochondria also another type of semi-autonomous cell organelle, because mitochondria also composed of circular DNA, RNA, 70S type ribosomes. Due to this reason, mitochondria function also independent of nucleus. Hence, like chloroplast, mitochondria also called semi-autonomous cell organelle, a cell within the cell, or a prokaryotic cell within the eukaryotic cell. That's all. That is about chloroplast. Rest of the points you must cover from NCERT. That's all. Next, cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton. In the beginning of this class, I told cytoskeleton present in animal cells, absent in plant cells, particularly higher living plant cells. Okay, right. Cytoskeleton is made up of microfilaments, microtubules, and intermediate filaments. These all fibers spread all corners of the cell, all corners of the animal cell, that provide physical support to the animal cell. Because in animal cell wall absent. Instead of cell wall, cytoskeleton perform their respective functions. It provides physical support to the animal cell. That is the function of cytoskeleton. It protects cell and it gives a specific shape to the cell. Important for NEET object exam. Question paper setter prepare question from any direction from cytoskeleton. Clear? Next, cilia and flagella. Cilia and flagella. Suppose here it is cilia. Flagella. Make transfer sections on flagella. Select one thin slice. Focus on empty glass slide. View under microscope. Then you can observe internal structure of the cilia or flagella. Central microtubules, peripheral microtubules. When there are 9 peripheral microtubules, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each one has two pieces called doublet. So adjacent peripheral microtubules attached with each other with linker. Sheet, inner sheet. All peripheral microtubules attached with central sheath with the help of radial spokes. Okay. You once go through internal structure of TS of cilia or flagella, NCERT book diagram. Enough. I draw just rough diagram due to lack of time. Arrangement 2, 9+2 arrangement. 9 peripheral microtubules and 2 central microtubules. Important. Select any cilia or flagella. Make transfer sections. You get thin slices. Select one of the thin slice. Put on clean and empty glass slide. Then focus under microscope. View under microscope. Particularly electron microscope. Not simple or compound microscope. It requires electron microscope. Because it is very small in size now, very microscopic in nature now, that is fine. Then obviously you yourself notice internal structure of the cilia or flagella. 9+2 arrangement. Okay. 9 peripheral microtubules and 2 central microtubules. Okay. That is the structure of cilia or flagella. Question paper setter sometimes ask questions based on diagram or based on arrangement of peripheral and central microtubules. Clear? Next, nucleus. Another important cell organelle called nucleus. Nucleus also double membrane bound cell organelle like chloroplast and mitochondria. Which is the dynamic center of the cell means nucleus. Nucleus regulate, it control all cellular activities. Clear? Once go to structure of nucleus. What are the parts in nucleus, etc. nucleolus. It is non-membrane bound structure. Nucleolus. Chromatin. This chromatin. Nucleoplasm, etc. Outer membrane, inner membrane. Between two membranes, middle small gap is there, na? That is called inter or perinuclear space. Perinuclear space. Nuclear pore. Nuclear pore helps in exchange of substances. Between cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. That means DNA, RNA, ribosomes, proteins, these and all exchange between surrounding cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. During cell division, chromatin condense to form chromosome. Clear? Nucleolus function, ribosome manufacture. It acts as ribosome manufacture. One of the non-membrane bound cell organelle. You must read the rest of the functions of the nucleus. Clear? Last concept, chromosome. Chromosome. Once have a glance, what are the parts in chromosome? The centromere, kinetochore, satellite, DNA, okay, centromere, kinetochore, telomere. Telomere means polarity. Polarity is called telomere. DNA, arm, satellite, secondary constriction, centromere also called primary constriction. And it is secondary constriction. And these two are non-staining parts. Means colorless parts in chromosome. Both centromere and secondary constriction, these two are colorless parts in a chromosome. Rest of the part is colorful part. According to Greek language, chromosome means color bodies. If you make a vertical plane passing through the center, chromosome split into two equal parts. Each half of the vertical chromosome equals to one chromatid. Clear? Remember, don't forget. Chromosome different, chromatid different. Each chromosome is made up of two chromatids. Okay, vertical section, not horizontal, vertical plane. Satellite, secondary constriction, centrosome, kinetochore. There are a pair of kinetochores present on either sides of the centromere. During cell division, spindle fibers attached with kinetochore. Okay, spindle fibers attached with kinetochore. That helps in splitting of chromosome, breakdown of chromosome. That is the structure of chromosome. Based on the presence of the location of centromere, chromosome again are of broadly four kinds. Remember, acrocentric, metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric and telocentric. Classification of chromosome also important. I am expecting one question compulsorily from classification of chromosome. Metacentric, location of centromere at center. In submetacentric, towards one side, means just partially towards one side. The shape of the metacentric chromosome V shape, V shape, L shape, J shape, I shape. Metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, telocentric. Short forms. I wrote short form. Metacentric chromosome V shape, submetacentric chromosome L shape, acrocentric chromosome J shape, and telocentric chromosome it looks like the letter I shape. These are the various types of chromosomes. Now last concept, centrosome, centriole. Centrosome is amorphous pericentellar material. It presents around a pair of centrioles. Centrioles are small coupled structures which are perpendicularly arranged very near to nucleus. Centriole function: initiation of cell division and formation of flagellar body. Formation of cilia body and flagellar body. That is the importance of centrosome and centriole. These are the main points to be covered from cell, the unit of life. Hope you understood. Watch this video properly. It is a quick revision class. Try to understand my feelings. You also become active like me. Maintain speed like me. Try to cover maximum syllabus within short duration of time. Otherwise, you may not get free medical seat. You must give big competition towards society, towards your friends. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye. See you and prepare well. All the very best. Thank you. Have a nice day.